everyone, this is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you for stopping by to watch my channel. I am participating in an open collaboration which is being hosted by Keisla as well as Shalomi at the Glamorous Penny Pinchers. This is actually my first YouTube collaboration. I am so excited to be collaborating with such talented women. The name of the collab is called My Fave Disney Princess Tablescape. We were told to create a tablescape for an adult. It has to be an adult tablescape. So, if you'd like to see what I chose as my theme for my tablescape, keep watching. Also, I wanted to let you guys know to be sure to visit these two wonderful ladies' channel. Again, Lakeisha as well as Shalomi with the Glamorous Penny Pinchers. These ladies are so talented. They do DIYs, shopping hauls, how to decorate your home. I mean, they're just amazing. Once the playlist is uploaded, I'll be sure to link it in my description down below. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe. If you subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you could be notified every time I upload a video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Also, make sure to visit all the other ladies who are also participating in this collab. Okay, let's get started. Now, based on my picture here, were you guys able to figure out what my theme is? I have the teacup, the clock, and the pot. That's right, guys, I decided to do my tablescape as Beauty and the Beast. I won't do too much talking right now. I'll let you guys enjoy the music while you watch the video. Bye! Now my table settings are all the same. I just wanted to bring you up close to get a view. On the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, I did a blue table mat over the blue runner. I did a gold charger and then a blue, white, and gold plate with blue and white napkins and white and gold napkin rings. For my whimsical, I did this mirror as my coaster. Now in the movie, the candle represents Lumiere. The teapot represents Miss Potts. The cup, which has a C on it, represents Chip, which is also my last name. The clock represents Coswell, I believe was the clock's name. And then finally, the rose, the in the jar, which represents the time he has left so she can fall in love with him. Well guys, this concludes my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links for these social media sites will be in the description down below. Once again, I want to thank Keisla, as well as Shalomi for having this open collaboration. I'm so glad I was able to participate. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.